Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy July. I think this is the first video I'm posting in July, maybe the second. I don't remember what the date of last Thursday was, but in any case, happy July. Today's video is just something really chill. This week I kind of just wanted to take a break from filming anything really substantial, so this video isn't like a haul or a tutorial or anything like that. I kind of just really needed a break this week. I'm very burnt out and I just needed to chill out a bit this week, but I didn't want to leave you guys with nothing at all. So today's video, I'm kind of just talking about how you can shop any of the products that you see in the hauls I put on this channel, the tutorials, like makeup I use in the tutorials, skincare that I talk about in skincare videos, as well as if you follow me on Instagram, how you can shop any of my outfits, makeup that I use, skincare products, anything really. So if you aren't aware of this app, or maybe you are, and I'm sorry if you are, but still watch. So there's this app out there called Like-to-Know-it, and it is a free app in the App Store. As I'm talking, I'm going to put screenshots or videos on the screen somewhere so that you know what I'm talking about and can have a visual. But in any case, so there's an app called Like-to-Know-it. It is part of a brand or a company that just recently rebranded from reward style to Like-to-Know-it. But in any case, so Like-to-Know-it is a free app that you can follow your favorite bloggers or other people who may have accounts on there, and you can shop anything that they link or post. So for example, if I posted a picture on there with this sweatshirt on, I would link where I got this sweatshirt, and you can shop directly in the app this sweatshirt. So it's not like you're actually shopping clothes off my back, like you're getting a brand new sweatshirt. It's just the same kind or something similar if this is sold out. But in any case, it's not just clothes. There's makeup, skincare, home products. Literally, there's thousands of retailers and brands that work with Like-to-Know-it that link their products on there, or you can link products on there. The people who have Like-to-Know-it profiles have been selected by the Like-to-Know-it brand. So it's not just anybody that can go on and say, I'm gonna link everything. It's people that they hand select. So you know that you're getting good quality things when you are shopping through the Like-to-Know-it app. The Like-to-Know-it app is a good way to shop if, for example, you may come across an ad on Facebook or Instagram and be like, oh wow, like that looks like a cool shirt or whatever, but you're not sure if you trust that retailer or brand or anything. If that retailer or brand or product is on Like-to-Know-it, you can see how people styled it, how it fits. You can basically shop from people that you can trust through the Like-to-Know-it app because you're seeing them style things and, promote things firsthand. Also, they are very particular to make sure that they're not promoting or allowing things to be linked that aren't legit, so you can trust them in that sense as well. There are also a ton of other benefits to shopping through Like-to-Know-it app, which I'll get into in a little bit. But in any case, to download Like-to-Know-it, if you're interested, all you have to do is go to your app store and then search Like-to-Know-it, this is what it will look like right here on the app store and the little icon. And then you download it, and then you can, to follow me, you open up the app and you search Brie Cutter, that is my username on there, and you will get my profile, and then you can just hit follow, and so you will get everything that I post on there and link. And then you just, if you see an outfit or a picture or anything with a product in it that catches your eye, you just click the post and then you scroll down, and everything underneath that particular post will be linked. So for example, I posted a photo the other day in a t-shirt dress that I got from Nasty Gal, and I linked that, so you can see right there that you just hit shop now. It'll take you to Nasty Gal's website and you can shop. There's also a ton of features on Like-to-Know where you can save posts, you can save products to shop later. There is a section of the app that you can go back and see products that you saved at an earlier date, and maybe you have a little extra spending money that you can go back and shop those products at a later date. Additionally, one of the biggest benefits to shopping through the Like-to-Know-it app is that they have a lot of in-app exclusive sales. So for example, recently there was the LTK spring sale, which a lot of retailers partnered up with Like to Know It to offer exclusive discounts and sales and deals just strictly for those shopping through the Like to Know It app, which is really beneficial. If you have that app, you can get an extra discount or, deal on something that you may have had your eye on. I know there are like hundreds of thousands of bloggers out there that use Like to Know It. So if you have some bloggers that you follow on Instagram or YouTubers that you subscribe to and you want to see if they're on Like to Know It, you can of course search their usernames as well, or search their names and see what can, if they have a profile that will come up. Additionally, if you are on the hunt for, let's say, a cute one-piece bathing suit, you can go into the app and search one-piece bathing suit, and it will pull up tons of different posts that feature one-piece bathing suits that you can shop and check out. And it's just really helpful because rather than searching on a particular retailer's website, you have basically this hub that gives you thousands of retailers so that you can see all the one-piece bathing suits across all these retailers rather than searching on one website, having to go to another website, searching on that website, etc., etc. So it's really great to have all this in one hub. Additionally, it's kind of like a social media platform, and if you are scrolling through posts and you start looking at certain posts or clicking certain links and stuff like that, it will decide on what your interests are, or what your taste is, and on your home screen eventually you will have a For You page so that you can see things that you may be interested in that are recommended to you through Like to Know It. There's a trending page so you can see all the things that are trending. It'll give you suggested like bloggers to follow or people on there who have profiles to follow, and so on and so forth. It's kind of like a social media for shopping, if that makes sense. Additionally, with their rebrand that they recently did, they're rolling out all kinds of new features and everything on this app, so there's a lot coming. I know that they've recently rolled out that you could post video on the platform, so if you see a dress or a skirt or jeans or whatever that you're interested in but you just can't get the full effect through a photo, you can search on that app, because some bloggers may be posting video of how those jeans fit, or how to style a certain dress or something like that, so you can get the full effect of how something looks or fits or feels. The Like to Know It app is also a great way to support your favorite bloggers or YouTubers or creators that you follow, because when you shop through that app and you're clicking on certain links, if you, for example, are shopping through my Like to Know It shop and are clicking on links on my shop like profile, then I will receive a compensation for certain products that you are purchasing, and it really helps to support my blog and this YouTube page and all the other endeavors that I choose to bring forth. So it's really helpful for the bloggers who are creating the content as well. So yeah, I really just wanted to bring you guys something quick and easy this week to talk about this Like to Know It app. I've really been upping my game these past few weeks with posting on there. The day that I am filming this, I actually this morning just posted a collage of cute one-piece bathing suits. I have another photo going up later on there of my favorite one-piece bathing suit that I own. In the future, I've got favorite trendy sandals. What else? We've got outdoor activities for kids, favorite white dresses, wedding guest dresses. I have tons of things planned for this month on the Like to Know It app. So if you're looking to get some shopping done this summer, please follow me on there and check out some of the things that I am linking. And if you have any questions about the Like to Know It app, please feel free to reach out to me and I will answer them for you. I will do my best to help you in any way that I can. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, make sure you click the red button down below to subscribe, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.